All right, let me get this mannequin. Fucking shit died. Over here. Okay, guys, you gotta understand the difference between an undercut and blended. So what does undercut mean? Let's just say the sides are like a number 2. Undercut would mean there's a part here, or it doesn't have to be a straight part. Let's say this part is short here. If this hangs over just like this, just like that, even the back, if that hangs over, that's an undercut. So this haircut, it's an undercut. Blended would be if these were all cut off straight so that nothing's hanging off the side. That would blended. That's what blended would be. So that's very important, guys. I always ask my clients if they want their haircut blended or undercut. Usually even comb overs can have undercut or blended. Well, comb over should be undercut on one side but blended on the other, but some people like it undercut both sides, so it's like a longer comb over. Damn, this man can talk. So yeah, let's see what we got here. Let's see, what is this one? This is Joker. Say what up. He said what up. Here, this one's pretty short on the side here. So this hangs over like that. That's an undercut. This side doesn't hang over. See how the side's just right here and none of the top hangs over. I swear there's a ghost. It's kind of scary, yo. So this side would be blended. This is blended, and this side's undercut since it's hanging. Let's see what else we can do here. Let's see. We got Cernice Qua in here, or Karen looking ass. This one is tricky. It's pretty much blended, but the fringe area is undercut. See how the fringe area is long? You can go over the sides with them, but it's what we do to create volume in the fringe or in the front. Let's say you have a pompadour, you leave this longer here so that you have volume, and the back is just blended. Or even with undercut, with a fringe undercut for a comb over, just create a V section, and then if he combs it over this way, there's more volume in the front. I like doing this because it makes the person taller with volume, and it's got room for the client to play with, like longer hair. He's got more options when styling it. And yeah, different ways how to section, difference between undercut and blended. I'll show you guys the different partings as well. Well, I think I showed you already, but understanding undercut, very important. Not every haircut you just section off the side here and the side here. No, not every haircut should be an undercut. I actually try to avoid undercuts because if this hair is always hanging, it's actually super hard for the client to style it and end up just not even styling it when they go home. Pay attention to your client's Instagram, their Snapchat stories. See if they actually style the hair, because yeah, undercut, they wouldn't be able to because it's so damn long on the sides. Like, ask the client how much time do they actually have in the morning, how much time are they willing to spend. And yeah, man, I recommend blended with the fringe. That's my favorite. But my clients might not like that, and I tell them it's the best. Most of them like it, but some of them might change it up. So ask your client if they like undercut or blended.